There's a valley opening up here. You never know what you're going to find when you're riding out here. I took basically a residential street, and then it opens up into a scenic, secondary highway. You can see some snow-capped peaks in the distance. Maybe the GoPro can pick it up. And so it's blessed to have all this beauty at my fingertips here and be able to find a new route every time I go out. I've never been through this specific track before, but basically the way I pick them is there's an app called Calimoto, and I think it's user sourced, crowdsourced. And you can pick, do you want to do twisties? And so it shows you some twisty highways, or you can pick if you want to go up summits. And so I've been on the summit kick the last few routes. So today we're going to Juniper Pass, as I mentioned. I've never been to Juniper Pass. And it's interesting because I take the same highways to get to most of these locations, and then it branches off into something completely unknown for me. So it's a good mix of, I know where I am and it's familiar, but I don't know exactly what's around the corner. So that is the morning report. It is 8:05, left basically at quarter till on a Sunday morning at the end of July 2023, year of our Lord. So I think this is mule deer, especially this early in the morning. Little ducks swimming in the pond there. The different tones of green here with the, at least through my visor, it looks like a hyper blue. Hopefully it comes out in GoPro, but to me it looks oversaturated in real life, so maybe it does come through also in the camera. But I seem to be following this rider. He seems to be in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. There's a whole barn there. This is a gorgeous drive. And I'm enjoying it. I am a little hyper aware of deer. I didn't record the second pack that I saw in town. Really not afraid of people just moseying around middle of the street, so you're looking out for them. This new route, it has a lot of turns, very nice, very pretty country, a lot of trees. All the trees seem to be in good shape, so meaning it hasn't burnt down or got by beetles. Well, it feels like a Sunday. Everybody's kind of moving very slow, purposefully but slow. And I just got a message from my Moser. I don't know if we're going up there. We might be going up there. That's exciting. I'm going to pull over here shortly to see what Mom wants, but not on a curve. I'm also trying a different setup. So here's my USB charger, and normally it's charging my my cell phone. Well, that would have been a good place. But right now I didn't feel like waiting for my GoPros to charge in the morning, and I didn't charge them overnight, and I decided to just try the, this is a good place right here. Yeah, it's very cool. Okay. Neutral, that's off, that's off. Okay. Guess fine. Pobrecito. Yo nice break here. I think we're gonna head back, so gotta make a U-turn here. See, without meeting any oncoming traffic. I'm gonna manage a U-turn here. The other side of this mountain, also new to me, since I haven't gone this way before, so we will see what we will see. But so far, I'm loving these views. And started off with hairpin turns and these sweeping curves, and Just wonderful. Okay, we're getting some clouds accumulating. With the long shadows, it looks like it's afternoon, but it's actually morning. It is 9:20. We're going to make it home before it gets hot in the valley. So I'll see you in a bit. Gotta be careful with the bikers, but this is awesome. I think I have a little nut bug or gnat or something in my helmet, sharing a helmet with me. Okay, dude, come on. Really? I believe in sharing the road, but we need equal parts here. As your friend here, also gonna... Oh, he's doing better. Better, okay. Which I've done in the truck, but not in the bike. You have to, little fisherman, you've got, this is cool. You've got to reserve it online ahead of time. And can you get a screenshot because there's no... Make sure nobody's going to cross my path here. There's no signal up here, so you gotta come prepared. It's a nice ride, but yeah, I might do that maybe next weekend. And let's see, where are we gonna come out? I think we're gonna come out in Evergreen. I believe so. But just look at these turns. So, hairpin turns, twisties, and cliffs is what's for breakfast today. Of course, we got other buddies. Came down a bit at 70 degrees now. It was about 65 up there, but with the sun, it didn't feel cold at all. Felt really nice. Maybe I can find a very spectacular composition here for night photography where I can block out the glow from the city, the light pollution. And I like this little highway, so we'll be back with a truck. Idaho Springs. So yeah, we're in Evergreen. Came out in Idaho Springs, and then we're gonna rejoin I-70 and go home. It's about a two-hour just straight driving, maybe 2.5 hour little loop that I did this morning. I could go this way. And thoroughly enjoyed the new route. Let's... excitement.